I'm in this multimedia class and I don't even know how to turn on a Mac. Dude, can you help me?
I can help you with that.
Thanks, dude, but what's your name?
My name is Omar Vázquez, but what's yours?
My name's Messiah.
Nice to meet you, Messiah. So, have you had any experience with computers?
I've used Windows computers before, but never a Mac.
Well, that's completely fine. Mac isn't that far off from Windows.
Where should I start?
Okay, I'll guide you. Let's start by turning on the computer. You do know where the power button is, right?
Well, it kinda? Not really. No.
It's on the bottom left half of the back of the computer. See, look, it's right here.
I already knew that, but thanks anyway.
Yeah, sure.
So it's loading, I guess?
Yeah, it's loading. Just give it a minute and you'll be set.
Oh, here we go. It's finished.
This is the login screen, where you shall wait for the teacher to sign you into your respective user.
What are all these little pictures on the bottom of the screen?
This is the dock.
A duck? Like this?
This isn't working. I got it. Let me take you on a digital ride.
Okay, but I'm not so sure about this. Where in the world are we?
We're not in just any ordinary world. This is the digital world.
But I don't like Digimon, I like Pokemon.
We're not talking about video games here, you goof. We're in the computer. Don't you think this is kind of cool? We're in a computer. Now look below you. That's the dock. Remember what I told you about it? It holds your programs for easy access. See those things over there? Those are icons. They represent different applications for different programs. And while we're still on the desktop topic, let me mention that you can also change your background. I'd recommend something that isn't too busy so you can find your files easier.
Speaking of files, where can I find them?
That's easy. Find her.
Find her? Find her where?
No, what? I mean, find her. Like, it's the program that you use to find your files.
Oh, find her, not find her.
Yeah, when you open the program, on the left, there'll be different subsections where you can find your work, and on the bottom, tag your work. So you can find your work under a specific tag.
Can I find my programs here?
Yeah, there's even a subsection for that.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Let's try... Keynote. Yeah. But wait, how am I gonna open this? Don't we need a mouse?
Yeah, you're completely right. I'm gonna have to call a Pointer. Pointer! Where are you, bud?
Well, it's about time for you to work me. I've been zoning around these clouds for like ever. But there's no mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen to get you what you want, man.
I got this trackpad, so I'll use it as a mouse.
Okay, as long as it is charged, then it'll work, and no wire will be needed.
Ready yourself up.
Hey Omar, be careful with Pointer.
Yeah, don't sweat it. He's used to work like this. So every application opens up in this window. And they all have 3 buttons. Red to close, yellow to minimize, and green to resize.
Oh yeah, it's just like Windows.
And on the top little bar, you can see the name of the program you're using. You can have more than one program and several files available. Just don't get confused and keep track of the programs you're using on that top bar. Just try it.
Click on this, this, and this. Click on iPhoto. And look, it's there. It's actually right there. Same with GarageBand.
let me open that keynote presentation that'll show exactly what I'm talking about. Don't forget these keys: Control, Option, and Command. With these 3 keys, you can make shortcuts. So if you want to copy, select whatever you want to do, text, picture, whatever, you hold Command and C at the same time. And to paste, it's Command V. And if you make a mistake and want to undo it, press Command and Z.
Oh, it's kind of like Windows, but instead of using Control, it's Command.
Yeah, see, you're getting the hang of it. Do you know what the recycling bin is?
Psh, of course I do. That's what the trash is for, right?
Yeah, and if you want to get your files back from the trash can, you totally can, as long as you didn't empty it.
Well, anyways, how about plug-in devices? I think I saw some outlets in the back for them.
Yeah, and in this keynote slide, it'll show you where you can connect into it. SD cards go here, flash drives and USBs go there, and external hard drives go right here.
Awesome! I think I'm ready to start now.
That's great, Messiah. And welcome to the world of Mac. You still have a long way to go. And on that note, we gotta dismiss. So I'll teach you how to log out. Click the Apple logo on the aforementioned bar, and click the option that says log out.
Alright, I am ready.
Here we go!
Wow, thank you so much, man.
Hey, you're welcome.
I saw how to shut down the Mac, so I'll go to the top left corner and choose shutdown. You ready?
Go ahead. Bye, everybody.
Bye.